Out of tubers? Alright, she is all decked, including the outer cabin walls. Got the faux door here that I have a idea for the door I'm going to put in place. Won't actually open, but I got to frame this one out still. Yeah, let's see. This is done. I do need to sand it up and even it up just a little bit here, maybe even add a little material and just a little bit of carving, and then that'll be ready to go. Let's see. This back piece I need to cut some windows into with some granny grate and some molding around them and framing, and put that back there. Once that's on the back, that'll go there, and some framing across the top. I think I am going to do sails. I don't think I'm going to use this, but I got a slightly larger. And I think I'll drill some holes in for loops. I don't know. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. But just one sail each, I think, and they'll probably be removable. And some rigging that I'm still working on in my head. And crow's nests that I don't know how I'm going to do. And some coping here to cover that transition. And of course railings still. Not sure about that. Might drill some holes to plant something about this diameter, and then cover the top of that with a rail. Don't know. Might have something more substantial out here and do that, do the drill set for the inside rails. Need a wheel. Don't know what that's going to be. So tonight here at home, I'm just going to do a little work. Put this door in. Put this door in and frame it out. And then tomorrow it's over to the lair to work with the boys, and that's when I'll probably do the back and start experimenting with the sides. Okay, so what I'm doing for the doors, just regular thin cardstock. I scored about every 1/8 of an inch, and then fold it up on those scores so the lines show, and then cut that to door size, and then glued some wood struts across there. I'll put something for a doorknob. When it's painted up, the dry brush will catch that as look like separate planks. It'll look like a thin plank door of a different, with the wood being a different scale than the planks of the ship. So it'll hopefully look, it'll tie in.
Bam. Architecture.
It might be too subtle. My problem with washes.
Just keep building and building.
Eventually I need to dry brush the fucking thing.
Tiny little slivers of cardboard.
How tiny are we talking?
Probably get it out of this.
Yeah, I got
Little bandings.
Tiny little pieces of cardboard.
new album coming out.
Really?
I guess over here is the in progress shelf.
At least in prompt for now. I'm not sure. Rearranging always happens.
Check your hatch.
Check
stays up.
So I'm using 3 spools and 2 popsicle sticks each to make some of these. They will sit like that for the railing on the back deck, and that's all the farther I've gotten as far as railings so far. Okay, got these attached, one on either side. These are attached. And a gap in between. I am going to work out some kind of mechanism here for a plank to slide under. And in the front, I'm not sure what I'm doing yet because of those curves, but I think you can see there the bottom rail. I think I will do that to sort of account for that curvature, and just do the same style. I didn't talk about it earlier, but I added this coping here to hide the edges of those sticks. That's it for now.